Good morning everyone. In last period we see nutrition in ruminants, what means by ruminants, how they can digest their food, what is the requirement, why they require this type of food, all these contents we complete. Now only one last concepts you remaining, types of teats, different types of teats only remain that we can continue, we can discuss in this lesson or in this period. So everyone open your books, page number 21. They gave you one picture of teeth, different types of teeth. Figure number 2.10, everyone look at that picture. Different types of teeth, you can see it, and everyone have in your mouth different types of variety of teeth. So with these types of teeth we can see here, we discuss it, different types of teeth in our living life. So everyone have two sets of teeth. How many? Two sets of teeth. Okay, which are they? We can discuss it. But very important, everyone have two sets of teeth. Don't forget. So, which are they? Second point, some means up to minimum 6 to 7 years. You have that baby have minimum 6 to 7 years milk teeth, and after the milk teeth, after the 7 years or 8 years, you get permanent teeth. Means minimum two types, milk teeth and permanent teeth are compared in your life. So don't forget second point, milk teeth and temporary, you can say it, or second is permanent teeth, up to death it will be. So second point, two types of teeth. First is milk teeth and second is permanent teeth. Milk teeth, you can say temporary one. Milk teeth where they up to 6 to 7 years. And permanent teeth up to death. The name is there only, permanent. So they are up to death, means they falls down, but you can say it, everyone's life process will be different. So I will write up to death. So milk teeth and permanent teeth are going on. So after that, adults having total 32 teeth in their mouth. Adult ones means adult ones means minimum 18 years, after 18 years or minimum 18 years, everyone have total 32 teeth in your mouth, and each jaw has 16 teeth. You know jaws means what? All having jaws. When we eat it, the jaws contracts and relax. So in every jaw, total 16 teeth are present. How many? In every jaw. How many? 16 teeth. Means 16 plus 16, total 32 teeth are present. So after that, all your teeth age not same. Means first which we see that teeth and the jaw teeth are age are not same. Some teeth means permanent teeth. We talk about permanent teeth after adulthood. That teeth, all teeth age are not same. Some can fall down up to 30 years or up to 21 years. Some can fall down. Some can continue up to death one. So same age are not there. Some can fall, some cannot. Means it depends on your food habits. So food habits are very important. So your teeth age can increase. Then next one, there are 4 types of teeth are there. Which are they? They gave you in your textbook. When you read it, you understood. First type is incisors teeth. Second type is canius teeth. Third type is premolars teeth, and last is molars teeth. So one by one we can continue it. We can check it. What means by incisors, what means by molars teeth. Okay, first we start with incisors. inches teeth? I will write here. I will rub this all. I think you write all these things. This is basic things related to teeth. Then we can start main part, our 4 types of teeth. First is inches. What is inches? It is a one type of teeth, and how many teeth are present in this one? Which are there? Inches have 2 pairs in each jaw. Okay. How many? 2 pairs in each jaw. Don't forget, inches is a first type of teeth, and these teeth have 2 only in each jaw. First is, what is it? Chisel-like ends, and second is cutting and beating. 2 types I will tell you. Inches have type of teeth, and inches having 2 pairs. For what reason 2 pairs? First pair is called chisel-like ends. First pair having chisel-like ends means sharp end. And what is the use of these inches? These 2 pairs, cutting and beat. To cut the food. Cutting is the main function of inches teeth. Cutting and biting the food. Bite it. So when we take the food in the mouth, we bite it, we cut it, we chew it. With the inches teeth, only 2 pairs are present in each jaw. Total 4 are there. Okay? Understood? Means first, inches teeth having only 2 points, minimum 2 to 3 points. Then second type, canyons. What is type? Canyons. In canyons, which pair? How many pairs? Only pair in each jaw. 1 pair in each jaw. Don't forget, 1 pair in each jaw. What is second? Only how many and what is the use or functioning. This much when you write, you can get all the marks, 2 marks or 4 marks. This is your theory to write the question answer. Canyons, only 1 pair will be there, and how they are? Pointed and tearing of food is the function. How they are? Pointed, and what is the functioning? Tearing the food. Finish. Canyons having only 1 pair of in each jaw. How they are? They are pointed, and what is the use? Tearing the food is the use or the function of canyons teeth. Then third type of teeth is perimolars and molars. Next one is molars. I rub this. You write it. You have it in your phone, so write it again in your notebook. Then third and fourth I will write. So I will rub this. Only 2 to 3 points will be there in each teeth. What is third one? Premolars. How they are? Premolars, they are 2 pairs in each jaw. Total 4 will be there, and they are bigger than first. What is the type? Bigger than inches and scissors. Means premolars are bigger than others. These teeth are bigger. What is the reason? Because their surface we can hubs with, we can bite the food, we can facilitate grinding the food. So these type of teeth are bigger than others one. Don't forget it. It is very important. First I will write pairs. How many pairs? 2 pairs in each jaw. Bigger. Okay, and what is the use? They can, surface is hum means surface is more of that teeth. So facilitating grinding and mastication of food is the use of that teeth. Mastication of food. Okay, because the surface of that teeth is more. We can chew it and we can masticate the teeth again and again like animals. And last one, molars, type of teeth. First point, molars. How it is? 3 pairs of molars. Total 12 will be there. 3 pairs of molars. Total 3 pair in each jaw. How they are? Flattened on the top like this only. They are also flattened. Flattened. And what is the use? Chewing the food. Simple and sweet. Only what they do, how they are functioning, finish. So 4 types of teeth are there. How they are? 2 pairs or 3 pairs. Bigger or shorter, flattened or sharp. You can write it. And last point, I will write functioning or use of that teeth. I will write here third one, mastication of food, and here chewing the food. Finish. This much only important. Remaining part, forget about that. And before that, what I write? Only basic part. From which age your teeth starts, which are the permanent teeth, which are the milk teeth. This much is the previous knowledge, and these are the main points, which type of teeth you have, how they are, and what is the use. So this much here up to your lesson also finished, your last concepts also finished. Now what is your work? You can complete the exercise from the textbook, and after that, after 2-3 days, I gave you question answer or paper. Depends on this lesson. So read the carefully, and which concepts are not easy or you don't understood, you read it. I think minimum 10% you get it. So reading is very important, and complete the exercise on time. I will give you next time question paper 100%. Thank you all of you.